how to download and install Clubhouse app on PC or laptop. So if you want to download and install Clubhouse app on your PC or laptop, then first of all you have to open up a browser, and after opening your browser you have to go to the upper right corner which has the three dots icon, and then go to new incognito window. And after opening your incognito, on the search bar you have to search for google.com. So on the search bar you have to search for Clubhouse for PC, and after searching here simply click on the first search, and then here you will have two options, download for Mac and then download for Windows. So you can simply click on download for Windows, and now you can see on the bottom left corner it is downloading. So to see that, you can go to the three dots icon which is on the upper right corner, and then you can go to downloads. Now you can see that it is being downloaded, and after downloading it will automatically start to install. Now you can simply go and sign in with your phone number. You can simply click on this country code, and then you have to enter your country code. You have to enter your phone number, and after that you can simply click on submit, and then you can sign into your account. So that's it. That's how you download and install Clubhouse app on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.